The model 45Kpa Cordless Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful 550-watt motor that delivers exceptional suction power, making it ideal for deep cleaning across various floor types. With a remarkable runtime of up to 55 minutes, this vacuum ensures you can complete an entire house cleaning session without needing to recharge. The vacuum's LED touch smart screen allows for seamless control and real-time monitoring of the device's status, enhancing user experience and maintenance. Its innovative V-shaped anti-tangle brush design effectively picks up hair and debris while minimizing hair entanglement, ensuring a thorough clean in every corner. The vacuum features a 7-layer high-efficiency filtration system that captures 99.9% of fine dust, promoting cleaner air quality in your home. A spacious 1.5-liter dust cup simplifies the cleaning process by allowing easy disposal of collected dirt and debris.